Hello guys, welcome to the fourth and last part of our topic, factorization. Today we'll look at more complex examples of factorizing quadratics and we'll look at the difference between two squares. So let's start by looking at 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. So remember last time I told you look at the coefficient, the number that's before the x squared. So now I have a number which is 2 and look at our constant. So you multiply the 2, okay? This gives us what? 24. Then the number on the middle is 11. So you guys should look for two numbers, okay? Two products of 24. Okay, so the numbers, when you multiply the 2, your answer should be 24, and when you add the 2, your answer should be 11. So in this case, 8 times 3. Okay, when you multiply the 2, we get what? 24, and when you add, we get an 11. Okay, so where there's 11, you write the two numbers, and then now you group factorize. Okay, so here common factor is 2x, x plus 4, common factor here 3, x plus 4. So your answer becomes x plus 4, 2x plus 3. Okay, so now here the same procedure, the coefficient is 3, there is 8. Okay, so you multiply the 2, you get 24. Then the numbers on the middle is what? 10. So you have to look at the products of 24. In this case, the product should be a what? Should be negative, because minus times minus, that's why you get a positive what? 24. So because of this, both of the numbers you're looking for should be negative. Okay, so minus 6 times minus 4. Okay, so when you multiply the 2, you get what? 24, and when you add the 2, you get what? Minus 10. Okay, so you substitute here where those the 10x. Now you could factorize here 3x, common factor, x minus 2 minus 4, x minus 2. Okay, so here you write x minus 4, x minus 2. So this is your answer. So now guys, we'll look at the difference between two squares. Okay, so this is what you do whenever you see a question like this. You open two brackets, here you write your x, you write your x. So x times x will give us our x squared. Okay, then here we write minus 5, and here we write a positive 5. So this is what you do, simple as that. Then this is your answer. So since here we have a negative number, we shouldn't write both sides negative, because a negative and negative will give us positive. So you always write one side positive and the other side you write negative, so that you get what? Negative. So now here the same procedure, because here 49 is what? 7 squared. Okay, so you guys should be familiar with the square roots. So the same procedure here, I'll write our x, here our x. So remember, you don't write both negatives. You choose one bracket, you should write plus 7, the other minus 7. You are done with your question. So now guys, here a more tricky example, but the same procedure here. You put two brackets, because 9 is 3 squared. Okay, so 4 I mean is 2. So this is what you do. Here you write 3y plus here 2x. Okay, then you write the same 3y minus 2x. So you don't write both of them positive, okay, or negative. You write one positive and the other negative. So this is your answer. Then here 16 is 4 squared. Okay, so the same procedure. Now we'll start with 4, because 16 is first, minus y, here 4 plus y. This is what you do. So guys, we'll look at the last example, the most complex. Okay, so here we have 2x minus 18. Okay, so now here we have common factor 2. Then do this, you get x squared minus, here you get 9. Okay, so you can see that inside, okay, here we have the difference between our two squares, because 9 is what? 3 to the power 2. Okay, so this is what you do. You write your 2, okay, then you open your brackets here, x minus 3, x plus 3. Then this is your answer.